Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss multiple choice questions of lesson number 2, that is matter around us pure? Now let us discuss the first question, which is which of the following statements are true for pure substances? So let us see the options. Pure substances contain only one kind of particles. Pure substances may be compound or mixtures. Pure substances have the same composition throughout. Pure substances can be exemplified by all elements other than nickel. So the correct answer is B part. That is first and third point, that pure substances contain only one kind of particles and pure substances have the same composition throughout. So these two options are the correct. So B is the correct answer. Pure substances may be compound or mixtures. This is also incorrect. Pure substances can't be mixtures, and pure substances can be exemplified by all elements other than nickel. This is also incorrect. Now the next question is rusting of an article made up of iron is called corrosion, and it is a physical as well as chemical change. Dissolution, and it is a physical change. C part, corrosion, and it is a chemical change. So C is the correct answer. That rusting of an iron made up of iron is a corrosion and it is a chemical change. Next question is a mixture of sulfur and carbon disulfide is A. heterogeneous and shows Tyndall effect. B. homogeneous and shows Tyndall effect. C. heterogeneous and does not show Tyndall effect, and D part is homogeneous and does not show Tyndall effect. So D is the correct answer. That mixture of sulfur and carbon disulfide is a homogeneous mixture, that is they completely mix with each other and they do not show any Tyndall effect. Now question number 4. Tincture of iodine has antiseptic properties. This solution is made by dissolving. D is the correct answer. Iodine in alcohol. This is the correct answer. Tincture of iodine is basically the solution made by dissolving iodine in alcohol. Next is which of the following are homogeneous in mixture? First is ice, wood, second is wood, third is soil, fourth is air. So out of these fourth, ice and air are homogeneous mixture. So C is the correct answer. So homogeneous mixtures are basically the mixtures whose composition are uniform in nature, uniform throughout. Question number 6. Blood and sea water are both mixtures, both are compounds. Blood is a mixture whereas sea water is a compound. Blood is a compound and sea water is a mixture. So correct answer is A part. Blood and sea water are both mixtures. Question number 7. Sol and gel are examples of solid-solid colloids? No. Sol is a solid-liquid colloid and gel is liquid-solid colloid. Yes, this is the correct answer. Sol is basically the solid-liquid colloid and gel is liquid-solid colloid. 8th question is, in a water-sugar solution, water is solute and sugar is solvent? No, it is incorrect. B part is water is solvent and sugar is solute. This is the correct option. C option is also incorrect. Water is solute and water is also solvent, and none of these. So B is the correct answer. Water is solvent, which is taken in the large quantity, and sugar is solute, which is taken in the smaller quantity. Next question is, boron and carbon are metalloid and non-metal respectively. Metal. D part is non-metal and metalloid respectively. So the correct answer is B part, that boron is a metalloid and carbon is non-metal. Last question is, which of the following are physical changes? Melting of iron metal, rusting of iron, bending of an iron rod, and drawing a wire of iron non-metal. So out of these four, first is a physical change, melting of iron metal. Second is not a physical change, rusting of iron is a chemical change. Third is also a physical change, bending of an iron rod. And fourth is also a physical change, drawing a wire of iron metal. So C is the correct answer. First, third and fourth are physical changes. So that's it for this video. In the next video, we are going to discuss more MCQs related to this chapter.